want to make 2025 the best year of your entire trading journey. This video might just be the key which you've been looking for in order to finally transform your financial success, in order to finally make money trading, and in order to start building significant wealth over the next couple of years and decades. In today's video, I'm primarily talking about swing trading and how you can actually use it to transform your entire trading journey. But I will also cover 3 other very important facts which you have to take into consideration if you want to make 2025 the best year of your trading journey so far. It also doesn't matter whether you're already a very experienced trader or you're a complete beginner. If you just implement at least one of the things, one of the 4 aspects which I will share with you over the next couple of minutes, I guarantee you that your trading will become much better. You will finally start making money trading, and it's just a matter of time, a matter of years until you will build significant wealth. I will also be absolutely honest with you in this video, because in the end it all just comes down to you actually having realistic expectations and not getting caught up in all of this trading nonsense which you hear 24/7. This is also already the first thing which is super important if you want to transform your trading during 2025. You have to abolish, and this is mandatory, you have to abolish all of the trading nonsense, all of the trading out there on social media, because there is no point in seeing other people making tens of thousands of dollars, in having gurus turning $100 into $1 million, and in having traders actually flexing in front of their cars. Objectively speaking, this will not help you with your trading at all. You have to get out of this social media trading bubble, because it just makes everything seem more fancy than it is in reality. I'm speaking from experience, because over the past 5 years of my trading, I've also been stuck in this social media bubble for at least a couple of months. And then I realized that if I'm not looking at charts actually that often, my trading immediately became better. And the less I was looking at social media and following other traders, the more money I was actually making. Abolishing all of this social media nonsense out there is actually very closely connected to the second principle when it comes to transforming your trading in 2025. Once you actually abolish all of this social media crap, you will actually also start developing realistic expectations when it comes to your trading journey. If you don't see other people making couple hundreds of % every single day, and if you don't have these traders which 10x their entire net worth just over a couple of months, then you will start to realize that 20% consistent return year after year after year is already enough in order to build significant wealth. I mean, if we're talking about Wall Street hedge funds, most of them are not able to outperform the S&P 500 over a long period of time. And the average annual return for the S&P 500 is only 10%. Therefore, aiming for 2x, 3x, 5x your trading account over the next couple of months is absolutely unrealistic, and there is a much higher chance that you will blow your entire account and you won't make any money at all. Having realistic expectations is therefore crucial when it comes to your trading success. And in the end, again, it's all about your mindset, and you can only free yourself from all of these social media gurus out there if you stop paying attention, if you just focus on yourself, and if you accept the harsh reality of trading. If you then actually managed to finally adjust your mindset and you now have realistic expectations when it comes to trading, your annual return, and also the frequency of your trades, the third most important thing for transforming your trading in 2025 is overall risk management. Still, if you only take a couple of trades during 2025 and you actually have realistic expectations, but your risk management, which I will go over in just a second, is not in place, you can still go ahead and blow your entire trading account on just the first trade of 2025. Also here, it doesn't come down to you risking 100% your entire trading account on just your first single trade. Instead, you have to only risk 1 to 2% of your entire trading account on every single trade, and then it only takes you 10 trades and you already make 20% if you only have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Obviously, part of risk management is also acknowledging that you will have inevitable losses. This is just part of trading, and in the end it all just comes down to you making more money when you're right than you're losing when you're wrong. There are two ways of actually implementing proper risk management. One is with the actual percentage of your trading capital which you're risking on any given trade, and the other one is your win rate. It's actually just simple maths. The win rate of your trading strategy times what you're making on every winning trade determines whether you're actually a profitable trader or you're consistently losing money. Therefore, you can either go for a very high win rate, but therefore you won't make as much money if you're right on any given trade, or you take the other route and you actually have a lower win rate, but therefore if you're right, you're making a lot more compared to when you're wrong. Both approaches work equally well. It all just comes down to your personal psychology, to your personal preferences. Are you okay with taking multiple losses in a row? If not, then I would suggest you stick to a higher win rate, but therefore not making as much money if you're right. If you're absolutely fine with taking a lot of losses in a row and you know that you will eventually make everything back, then you can obviously stick to a lower win rate, but therefore higher risk to reward ratios, and in the end just making a lot more when you're right. However, and I'm already coming to the fourth point which I want to mention in this video, risk management alone won't help you grow your trading account substantially, especially in the beginning. If you have less than 300,000 euros to trade with, it's super important, and this is basically what nobody talks about. It's super important that you primarily focus on making money apart from trading. If you're going for your 20%, again, which is already phenomenal, consistent return year after year after year, it will take an incredibly long period of time until you have 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 or a million euros in your trading account if you're only starting with 10,000 euros. It's super important, therefore, that every single month, every single quarter, or at least once a year, you're depositing a lot of money into your trading account. If you're just starting with 10,000 euros right now, and over the next 12 months you already deposit 5,000 euros, you made an incredible return of 50% by basically not entering any trade at all. Especially in the beginning, this is very important because, as you know, compounding is your biggest friend when it comes to trading and long-term investing. The more money you put into your trading account exactly today, the more money you will have in the next 10, 20 or 30 years. Heavily focus on making money apart from trading, and this is also exactly why I really love swing trading, because it's enough for me to look at charts for just 5 minutes every single Sunday, and during the entire week, so Monday till Sunday afternoon, I can primarily focus on making money apart from trading, and this has certainly helped me grow my trading account substantially over the past 5 years. In the end, it basically all just comes down to you being disciplined enough to implement 4 steps, or at least just one of those 4 principles which I mentioned in this video. And as I mentioned in the beginning, I will guarantee you that if you just implement one of these 4 factors, your trading will change during 2025. You are the only person who is responsible for your trading account. Nobody else will actually help you, so it comes down to you making as much money apart from trading as possible, and to you properly managing your risk and to you abolishing all of this social media nonsense. Have realistic expectations. 2025 will then be a very awesome trading year. Over the next couple of years, you will start building significant wealth. And if you need any help with your trading, just click the first link in the description, sign up for the free trading newsletter, because during the entire year of 2025, I will keep you updated there for free with my personal trades, with trades of the elite program, how I am personally managing risk, and just the most important and also most profitable opportunities over the next 12 months. There you basically have it, the 4 most important aspects which you have to implement in order to make 2025 the best year of your trading journey yet. Let's make the next 12 months count when it comes to trading and every other aspect of life. I will see you in my next video. Keep your long-term vision.